box, as you.
All right, the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's open her up, and there's the iPhone 17 Pro Max right there in the No-Man traditional leather case. And let's open her up, and this is the Black on Black Ultra 3. So we're going to unbox this and see what we get.
Okay guys, let's open up the Ultra 3. So this is black on black. I decided to go black on black as opposed to the blue on silver. Still titanium, I assume. Nice little foldies out here. So we just lift her up here. Like so. We get the nice fashion, obviously. We get the Apple Watch little guide, and there she is right there. The band, the black band, and the actual watch right here. So very nice indeed. We got the band as well right there. We just need to open her up, and we have ourselves an unboxing. Alright. There we have it. Look at that. Nice black model right there. We just got some documentation. This is the cable. And we just got the band. So yeah, that's pretty much the Apple Watch. We'll have a look more into this in a sec, guys.
Okay, so this is the Ultra 3. As you can see, this is black titanium. You've got the standard look right there with the new ocean band right there for the black version of the titanium Ultra 3. So yeah, that looks pretty sweet. So I'm going to bring it right next door to the Ultra 2 with the blue ocean. And as you can probably see, they look near enough identical. But they look absolutely amazing. So the black on black definitely is one thing I wanted to go for the black titanium. But I do say I'm very much liking the new Ultra 3. I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.